Hello, students. This is the first chapter of your History NCERT textbook, Our Past, Part 2. The first chapter is Tracing Changes Through 1,000 Years. What this chapter is all about, and what are you going to study in this? In this chapter, mainly you will be familiarized with the changing names of the land of India, how the name of India as India evolved. In the past, was it named as some other name or did it have any other language to it? And how the term gradually changed and we know it now as India. We will also be discussing in this chapter about historical trends, the basic trends of history of over the last 2000 years. This chapter will also give you some example to show that how the sources helps the historians to study the past. Sources, as you have already studied in class 6, there are various sources of history. So those sources, how are they used to study of the history, that period, the people living in that period, and so on. Like for some example, we can take sources like buildings, travelers and administrators chronicles, paintings, coins, inscriptions, documents, folk music, instruments, and literature. All these serve as a source of knowing the history. Now, all things change with time, and we can learn a lot from looking at how ancient people lived. So, in this way, similarly, historians also learn about history from old coins, inscriptions, style of architecture, and written records. They also collect and archive. Archive means to record or store the manuscripts. You have read about manuscripts in class 6 also. Now, especially when the people move from different countries or different continents, they take their lifestyle and ideas to those new places, and hence an intermixing of these ideas, of these religions, these customs takes place. So, in this chapter, we will study about all these things, like how the name of our country evolved, what were the social and political groups which were formed during this period, what was the caste system all about during this time, which major dynasties used to rule, and what was their frontiers and till where was their extension of their territory, how religion changed, especially how Islam came to our subcontinent. Then we will also get to know in this chapter on how history is being divided into smaller parts so as to make our understanding more clear. So of all these topics you will be get to knowing in the next videos. So let's look at all these topics in further details.